Hello everyone! In this video ay gagawa ko ng breakfast. Quick and easy breakfast using Quaker oats. So all you have to do is to put hot boiling water here in the cup. Let's put it in the cup. And put 6 spoons of Quaker oats. And 6 spoons. And we put powder milk. I put 3 spoons. Yan. Then mix it. And get sugar. I put 2 spoons. I don't want that sweet. Too much sweet. Ayan. Tapos kailangan siyang luto. Hindi siya maluto dito sa mainit lang na tubig. So ilalagay ko siya sa microwave. Ayan. Para siya maluto. I said 15 seconds. 15 seconds only. Ayan na siya. Ay, hindi pa siya kumulo. Another 15 seconds. Ayan, nag-boil na siya. Ayan, luto na siya. Luto na ang ating quick and easy Quaker oats for breakfast. Ayan, luto na siya. Pwede na natin siyang inumin. Ayan. Okay na siya. This is healthy because this is oats. Taste it. It's good. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video.